To get catering orders on Grubhub in 2025, start by creating a Grubhub for Restaurants account, which is a platform designed for restaurants to manage their online presence and receive orders. Once you have an account, make sure your restaurant is listed on Grubhub by claiming your business and verifying your information. Next, optimize your menu for catering by identifying popular items that are suitable for large groups and creating special catering menus or packages. Consider offering discounts or promotions to attract catering customers. Ensure that your menu is up to date and accurately reflects your restaurant's offerings. To increase visibility, use keywords like catering, events, or parties in your menu descriptions and restaurant profile. This will help customers searching for catering options find your restaurant. You can also add high-quality photos of your dishes to make them more appealing. Grubhub provides a feature called Grubhub Catering, which allows restaurants to receive catering orders. To participate, you need to opt in to Grubhub Catering in your restaurant dashboard. This will enable customers to place catering orders with your restaurant. To manage catering orders, you will need to set up your catering menu and pricing in your Grubhub dashboard. You can also set minimum order requirements and delivery areas to ensure that you can fulfill catering orders efficiently. Once you start receiving catering orders, make sure to fulfill them promptly and efficiently. Grubhub provides tools to help you manage orders, including order tracking and customer communication. You can also use Grubhub's delivery services to deliver catering orders to customers. To promote your catering services, use social media and email marketing to reach out to potential customers. You can also partner with event planners, businesses, and other organizations to offer your catering services. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully get catering orders on Grubhub in 2025 and grow your restaurant's catering business.